I thought I'd give you a room tour of the room they put me in here at the Pan Pacific, because a lot of people are staying here when we come for our group cruise, and I mean, there's no wonder. Look at the views I have outside. It's spectacular. Now, last time I was here, I showed you a room. It had two huge, large glass base windows, and yeah, it was a beautiful room. And they had upgraded me from a regular room to that room, and I said, okay, well, this time I want that same room. So I booked that room, and they upgraded me again. So let's take a look at this room. Let's start with walking into what my room looks like, and it's called the Panorama Ocean View Room, and it's no wonder. Look at how many windows I have in this room. That's crazy. Look at it's one of the corner rooms, very end of the hotel, facing outwards. So if we head over in this direction, I have my desk to work in over here. By the way, a lot of people come here and they got concerned because they saw this in my last video, an actual internet cable. Don't worry, those are just in case you want an internet cable. You don't need one. They have Wi-Fi, and that was included in this room, and it was included in my last room as well. Table for 4, sitting down and eating. Couch for up to 5 people to sit down and watch TV. Very nice large screen TV here. You could have in-room movies, or you have the channels as well. And this bed, a king size, looks very musty because I did sleep in it last night and they haven't come in to make the bed this morning. But let me just say, when I curled up and snuggled into these pillows last night, I fell asleep hard, and I fell asleep like a rock. So that's never an issue. In here we have the bathroom. Of course, it comes with amenities, lots of room. Now in this case, oh yeah, I did shower this morning. They have a rain head shower, and they have a tub down below. Personally, I prefer having the walk-in shower when I'm traveling, but I understand the benefits for people who sometimes come to these rooms. They'll stay here like a week or 2 weeks, so it might be nice to have a tub, or if you have kids or children who want to take a bath, or you just feel like soaking afterwards. It would have been nice though for this quality of room if it would have been a jacuzzi tub. That's the only real downfall of the room. Other than that, there's plenty of room. The water closet, as they like to say in England, is in there. I'm not going to do a tour of that. But of course, the real selling point to this hotel is this view. This is what I'm waking up to this morning at 8 a.m. in the morning. Helicopters taking off from the helicopter pad right there. The ferry down below is just leaving. The cruise ships pulling in the morning. And the mountain views off in the distance. I mean, really, it doesn't get a whole lot better than that. A subscriber emailed me and said, hey, I'm going to be in Vancouver on the same day you're getting on the Millennium, and I'm going to be staying at the Pan Pacific. Is it okay if we get together for breakfast? So I'm going to go for breakfast, but I'm not going to film that because that's person's privacy. But I did want to just show everybody out there this hotel room. It is a spectacular room. The views, you just can't be beat, especially if you're a cruise ship lover. I mean, the cruise ship's right there. And right there. I could just sit here and watch these all day. And if you remember last time, it was rainy and cloudy, and this time it's beautiful and sunny. And absolutely great start to a 33-day cruising adventure off to Asia, Japan, and China. And yeah, I'm going to be off the grid for a little bit, but I'm hoping that I have Wi-Fi connection and I can keep in touch. So we'll see what happens, but I just had to show you the room. Let me show you one more time. So here we go from a different angle. Looking out, the entrance is right there, bathroom off to the left, couch and everything is right here to watch TV. And the table and chairs over there. Yes, you also do have a coffee maker and bottled water, which is included in the room, and a mini bar down below. So anything you could ask for is pretty much here. They have concierge service and lots of good dining restaurants on board. You're also right on the boardwalk area of all the bars and the restaurants, and I went and got a Subway sandwich last night, some snacks, and everything was really close by. I even had to do some last minute shopping because some things I was expecting to arrive before I left didn't. So I picked them up when I was here in Vancouver. Literally a block away, I found a big mall area, and I was able to buy whatever I needed there. So it's very convenient. I have been checking some prices for everybody, and if you're coming from the US, there have been some prices around the $220, $250 range, which, considering you're staying right here at the cruise port with the cruise ships down below, and you're right in the middle in the heart of the city, you can't really beat that, because I've stayed in Fort Lauderdale and it's cost me $300-400 a night for hotel rooms. So I was really impressed to see this hotel at those prices. So if you keep online, you keep searching, if you're coming on the group cruise or any cruise for that matter, keep an eye out, because every once in a while, at the beginning of the month or something, they'll have like a 40% off sale on some sites. So don't be afraid to grab it when you see it. Because yeah, the Pan Pacific Vancouver Hotel does get my top rating for a place to stay if you're coming for a cruise, for sure. So also just wanted to show you guys the pool area, what kind of city views you get. Hot tub over here in the corner. Of course, they do have refreshments and the bar is set up. And a really nice sitting area over there that you can take a look out. But I think the hot tub area might just be one of the best places. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, and I look really tired, I wasn't. I slept like a rock, but it's early. It's early when you go to bed at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. So I hope you liked this video and this little room tour as we get set for the cruise. If you did, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and until next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation. Because mine's starting off great.